Welcome back, I'm Larry. So this is a quick update on the 351 Cleveland and how it's running. It is running great. The break-in went awesome, no issues, and it is running strong and running smooth. So we're running about 50-55 mile an hour right now. If you take a look, oil pressure is holding strong at 60, cruising, a little above 60 actually, probably about 65 or so. And the temperature is below 180, it's cruising along. Now we are at night, so it is going to run a little cooler anyway, but even during the day, it never gets above 180. It runs great, and that is 60 PSI steady. It starts up at 80, drops to 60 cruising, and that is with a stock volume, stock pressure oil pump with full groove main bearings. And then when I sit still at idle, it is 20 PSI when I come to a stop. Matter of fact, we can show it right now. 20 PSI. It's perfect. And that is a great setup. I'm happy with it. Couldn't be happier with it. And I love it. Turned out great. Just want to give that quick little update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care.